Hello, I'm Felicia Loo. Today, let's explore how setting up a robust food traceability program can elevate your food business. Traceability is crucial for food safety and gaining trust in the retail market. It ensures quick response to food safety issues and compliance with industry standards. By working with experienced consultants, you can efficiently implement a traceability program using the IAF BC Grant. This investment ensures accountability and eases your path to retail success. Need help with HACCP or SQF certification? We're here to guide you through CFIA and FDA requirements too. Our expertise can help you meet all your compliance needs and strengthen your food safety program. Reach out to us today and let's build a secure future for your business together.